Good morning, students. Today we will start the chapter 19, that is your coordinate geometry. You must have heard the name of coordinate. Sometimes we use when you did the chapter linear equation, you must have heard the name of coordinates. If not, then also I am explaining it with the starting again. This is coordinates. Coordinate geometry. It is known as coordinate geometry. In this, in coordinate geometry, we used to point out the points lying in between two planes. Like we all know that we have two axes. Normally, we used to talk like x and y variables. We used to talk in the linear pair of equation, in which equation was in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In that equation, the variables x and y, these can be represented in the form of line. It is a equation of linear form, so it forms a line. In this line, 2 points lies, this x and y. We will have to show these points in the form of diagram now in coordinate geometry. This x-axis, x and y, they are two numbers, they are two variables. So these variables represent the axis or the plane of a point. So like we have axis, you know the number line. This is the number line. You all are aware about number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It is number line. It can be expanded in both direction. In positive also up to infinity, in negative side up to infinity. It represents you the number line. This number line is known as x-axis, means the horizontal line is known as x-axis. In positive direction, we used to say it x coordinate. In negative direction, it is known as x dash coordinate. When I am talking about xy axis, that is your fully x-axis, that is positive direction, x-axis, negative x dash. Okay, now if like I cannot represent a circle on a line only. For this point we need another point. So this represents the both plane of circle. This vertical line, if a line, number line you can say, vertically, which is going through the 0 again, that is vertical line, that is horizontal line. The vertical line is your y-axis. It is your y-axis. The same thing happens in that also. It is also a number line. So it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Similarly, in the negative direction also, -1, -2, -3, -4 up to infinity. So it represents you the x-axis and y-axis. In the positive direction, they are normally named. In negative direction, it is dash की form में, in the form of dash. So the line XO, x dash is your x-axis, and YO, y dash is your y-axis. Now the point where both two lines are intersecting, where the value of x line is also 0 and the value of y line is also 0, that is known as origin. Origin means from where the things are starting. So here the all the x's, all the sides are starting with 0, so it is known as origin. It is origin of this coordinate system. Now this fully is known as coordinate system. Now it is about the axis. Now I come to the point when I was talking about this point. If I need to define this point, how I would decide. So the first thing I want to tell you more, then that in x-axis and y-axis, the distance on x-axis, if I move 1, 2 and 3, if I move towards x direction, this one distance up to 3 distance, so it is known as abscissa. That is known as abscissa. The distance on x axis and the distance on y axis 1, 2. If I am moving through 2 towards y, it is known as ordinate. If I am moving 3 in this direction, like a person is moving 3 kilometers in east direction, then in north direction, so up 2 centimeter, so finally he is reaching to this point. It is moving 3 in x direction and moving 2 in y direction, so the coordinates of that person where he is lying is 3 and 2, where x is the distance travelled on x-axis and 2 is the distance of y-axis. They are representing the coordinate in the form of x and y. Means x is the first number, the distance travelled by a person in x direction is 3 and in y direction is 2, and finally he is reaching at the point A, we can say. So the coordinates of point A is 3 and 2.